Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you Windows 11 Activator Txt to activate using Cmd. So first I'm go into my settings and go into the systems, and once you are here you simply need to scroll down, go into the activation, and here you can see that my window is activated. So you simply need to click here and click here Cmd and open that. And first you need to give here this first command, this one, copy that, paste here and hit enter. And on the next step you need to give this prompt and hit enter again, and on the next step you simply need to add this and hit enter, and after that your windows will be activated. So this is the process that you need to follow. I hope you like this video. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.